Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video I'll be making this healthy Buddha bowl. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Now let's cook. So guys, I already went ahead and I peeled my potatoes. Now I'm going to cut it in medium chunks. So now guys, to season the potato, I'm using black pepper, onion powder, oregano, some Cajun season, a teaspoon of salt, and last but not least, extra virgin olive oil. Now I'll be tossing the potatoes in that oil, then I'm going to add it to my baking tray. Now guys, before you add it to your baking tray, ensure that it's lined with parchment paper. Now I'm going to slice some bell pepper. Now I'll also be seasoning it in the same bowl where I toss my potatoes, and I'm going to add it to the same tray. Then guys, I'll be topping that off with some Old Bay season because I just love when everything is flavorful, honey. Then I'll be baking that for 30 minutes. Now guys, it's time to steam my rice, and I'm using the Uncle Ben whole grain brown rice. Now guys, to steam your rice, you just want to follow the instruction on the other side of the box. Now guys, before I even purchased this rice, I was so indecisive because I wanted to steam the wild rice because I absolutely love wild rice. I didn't find any at the supermarket, so I just had to go with this brown rice. Now guys, I steam my rice with butter or margarine because it just gives it more flavor. Guys, I forgot to show this part, but I also baked some corn kernel and I also went ahead and I cooked some quinoa. So guys, now that our rice is cooked, it's time to assemble. But while I was assembling guys, my battery decided to die. So I'm so sorry, but all of this goodness is on that rice. Now I'm just topping it off with some cilantro. But right there we have our potato, our bell pepper. I also went ahead and I cut some red onion, the quinoa, black bean, the corn I was telling you guys about, some avocado and shredded carrot, and I just drizzled some mushroom sauce on there, and that is about it guys. This was so good. I absolutely enjoyed this. It was so healthy and I just think that this is something that my body really needed. But anyways guys, I love you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.